Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Carmilla Carmine from Hazbin Hotel. Carmilla Carmine is an absolutely captivating and unforgettable character. As a demon and one of the powerful overlords of hell, she exudes a commanding presence that immediately sets her apart, even though she's introduced as a supporting character. Her role as Hell's top weapons dealer makes her not just influential, but also deeply enmeshed in the dark power struggles of her world, which adds layers of intrigue to her story. Visually, she's stunning and utterly unique. Her tall, hourglass figure paired with her light gray magenta skin makes her feel otherworldly, yet there's an elegance in how she carries herself. Her thick, white hair streaked with black is styled into these elaborate, beehive-like horns held by black ribbons. It's such a dramatic choice, but it feels completely fitting for someone of her stature. When her hair is loose, it cascades messily to her ankles, showing a softer, almost wilder side to her. Her facial features are striking, those black lips and sharp fangs immediately catch the eye, and the mask-like marking over her eyes adds this sense of mystery and danger. Her eyes themselves, with their red sclera and slit pupils, are unsettling yet mesmerizing. The contrast of the darker tones on her upper body with her white arms and hands creates a visual balance that's both eerie and beautiful. And then there are her hands, larger than one might expect and tipped with black nails, adding a sense of strength and subtle menace. Her choice of attire is fascinating. The ballerina-inspired black dress with white and magenta accents gives her an air of grace, but the spiked skirt hints at the danger she embodies. Walking on the tips of her toes in angelic steel ballet slippers is such a bold and striking detail, merging elegance with an undeniable edge. Even the thought of her weaponizing her grace is chilling and awe-inspiring. The small details, like the hooped black earrings despite the absence of visible ears, add a surreal touch to her design. Carmilla feels like a character who commands the room simply by being in it. Everything about her, from her appearance to her role in Hell's hierarchy, makes her someone you can't help but be drawn to, even if you're unsure whether to admire or fear her. For me, she's the perfect blend of elegance, power, and danger, a character who lingers in your mind long after she's left the screen. In the episode Scrambled Eggs, Carmilla Carmine plays a pivotal role during the Overlord's meeting. When Velvette proposes going to war with heaven by showcasing the head of a dead angel, Carmilla firmly opposes the idea, siding with Zestial's perspective that such a war would lead to unnecessary deaths. Velvette's insults towards Zestial escalate the tension, but Carmilla steps in decisively, kicking Velvette out of the meeting and asserting her authority as the Overlord controlling Hell's weapon supplies. Carmilla also reveals a critical piece of information during this confrontation. She admits to killing the exterminator, a drastic action she took to protect her daughters. This confession showcases her fierce loyalty to her family but also introduces a complication, as her admission is overheard by one of Sir Pentious' egg minions. This revelation, unbeknownst to Carmilla, is later relayed to Alastor, adding a layer of intrigue to her actions and setting up potential repercussions. In the episode Hello Rosie, Carmilla Carmine plays a crucial role in preparing Vaggie and the hotel for the impending battle against the exterminators. When Vaggie seeks her help, Carmilla agrees to teach her how to fight angels effectively. She reveals that she previously killed an exterminator using angelic weaponry scavenged from past exterminations, showcasing her resourcefulness and deep understanding of celestial warfare. Carmilla not only trains Vaggie but also provides critical support by agreeing to supply the hotel with angelic weapons, a decision that significantly boosts their chances of defending against the angels. Through her guidance, Vaggie regains her wings, symbolizing her renewed strength and determination. Carmilla's actions directly contribute to the hotel's preparations and Vaggie's personal growth, solidifying her role as a key ally in the fight against the angels. Comment below what you like and dislike about this video. It will help me for improvisation. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.